Hello dignitaries, organizers and the participants. I am Ragini Ramcharan Kevat from Dr. Patangrao Kadam Mahavidyalaya, Sangli. I am the postgraduate student of Microbiology Department and completed the research under the guidance of Bharat Ballar sir. My research topic name is Study of Symbiotic Interaction of Pantoia callida and Aspergillus species in the development of Pityriasis capitis with the concurrent evolution of antifungal activities of selected anti-dandruff shampoos. First is introduction. Pityriasis capitis is a scientific name of dandruff. Pityriasis capitis is a common scalp disorder affecting almost half of the post-pubertal population regardless of ethnicity and gender and has several putative causes including non-microbial factors. The prevalence of pityriasis capitis in South Asia is 61.1%, whereas in the world it is 50%. The potential extrinsic causes of pityriasis capitis are continuous exposure of sunlight, poor hygiene, overuse of shampoos, cosmetic products such as hair sprays, gels, creams, frequent combing, and environmental pollutants. The most common symptoms of pityriasis capitis are flanking and mild itchiness, red and greasy patches on the skin, and tingly feelings on the scalp are the other symptoms of pityriasis capitis. It is assumed that Aspergillus niger and Aspergillus avemori do not develop skin infections and have variety of application in the brewing industries. Next is materials and methods. First we collected the samples and then isolation of microorganisms on Cyberodextrose agar and modified Dixon's agar. Identification of isolates by using conventional identification methods and MALDI-TOF. Fungal isolates was subjected to sensitivity testing by using well diffusion technique using Sesanum indicum oil and two well-known market brands of anti-dandruff shampoos. Next is observations and results. So total 4 isolates was obtained, 1 on modified Dixon's agar and 3 on Cyberodextrose agar media. The isolates were identified by using conventional identification methods and MALDI-TOF. The isolates were authenticated at National Fungal Culture Collection of India. White culture code number RK8600 and RR1329. The isolates were Aspergillus niger. The fungus isolated white culture code number BR2000 was Aspergillus avemori. The selective medium interestingly showed the growth of bacterial isolates. The isolate was processed with MALDI-TOF and found as Pantoia callida. One bacteria cannot be identified by using the MALDI-TOF technique, culture code number RDMF, and it may be novel bacterium. Fungal isolates were subjected to sensitivity testing using Sesanum indicum oil and two well-known market brands of anti-dandruff shampoos. Two isolates of Aspergillus species were not sensitive to the Sesanum indicum oil. Both the brands show differential activities against the fungal isolates. These are the figures of isolates. Figure 1 Aspergillus niger, Figure 2 Aspergillus avemori, and Figure 3 Pantoia callida. These are the figures of sensitivity against pityriasis capitis. So in first figure, zone of inhibition of isolate BR2000 using ketoconazole shampoo and Sesanum indicum oil. Then in figure second, zone of inhibition of isolate BR2000 using Head and Shoulder shampoo. Next is conclusion. Pantoia callida is well known for producing various enzymes including proteases. So it is our primary observation that the bacterium creates suitable environment for secondary growth of Aspergillus species and plays significant role in the development of Pityriasis capitis. Two isolates of Aspergillus species were not sensitive to Sesanum indicum oil. Both the brands shows differential activities against the fungal isolates. Thank you.